Hello, what's up guys? In today's video we have the Infinix Smart 20 which is pattern locked. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you guys can perform hard reset and remove any type of pattern or password from your Infinix Smart 20. For that, first you guys have to power off your phone, then press and hold the power and volume up keys simultaneously. As soon as the Infinix logo comes up, release the power key, but keep holding on to the volume up key until it gets into the recovery menu. Here inside the recovery menu, use volume keys to move the option and use power key to select an option. Select wipe data, then factory data reset. This will completely erase all the data from your phone. As you guys can see at the bottom, the data wipe has been completed. After that, select reboot system. Now after the reboot, the phone will take some time to load up and it will stay on the screen for a while, so you guys have to wait for it. And when the phone finally turns on, tap on start, move forward, set up your phone, and after completing this setup, you guys will be able to use your phone again.